Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today let's talk about slam poetry. So, slam poetry, what is it? Slam poetry is really a type of poem that is performed. It has no structure, much like a free verse poem. The poet can choose whatever structure they like, and it's emotionally charged, ladies and gentlemen. That's the important part, your emotions driving. So how do we write one? When it comes to writing a slam poem, there's a few key things you can do. So the first thing is choose a topic. Identify an event, a person, or an issue that evokes passion in you. It could be a trip that changed the way you look at life. Maybe you fell in love, or you went through a bad breakup, or perhaps you're doomed to do whatever you can to change this world. When you're fired up, emotions and words are most likely to flow out of you. Secondly, put your words on paper, ladies and gentlemen. Use your 5 senses to create a first draft. Write down what you see, hear, taste, touch, and smell when you think about your topic. Those details are key, especially in slam poetry. So instead of writing, I drank a glass of water, write, I sipped on an ice-cold glass of water with a pinch of lemon that was so tart it made me cringe. Craft your words into those short stanzas that create that natural rhythm. Remember, slam poetry is also like having a conversation. Edit yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Read your poems out loud. If you find yourself stumbling over certain lines that are too clunky or too long, that's when you know a section probably needs to be changed, cut, or moved around. Use a thesaurus if you need to find different words. And lastly, add a little drama, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, you're not just reading your poems out loud, you're performing. So the goal is to get the audience to audibly react. So we want them to laugh, cry, gasp, snap, yell, go heck yeah, to clap, to really your poem. If you need to do a little bit of that in your poems, do it, add it. It increases the drama. Are there moments when you can whisper your poems or shout your poems out? Are there places where you can speed up or slow down? Can you throw in any facial expressions or bodily movements to illustrate your main message? Use your best tools, ladies and gentlemen. That is you. All right. And lastly, but never least, once you have these 4 topics, what you can also do as well is remember that slam poems are usually about anything. They're about social issues, personal events, or large milestones. So go out there, ladies and gentlemen, and write some beautiful slam poems.